everybody. Put the visor down, turn signal off, damn it. Today's gonna be a fun one. Gonna meet up with a new friend, go for a ride. He's just got a bike, and he's only been riding, I think, for about 2 or 3 years. It's funny, it's a Ducati 848 Evo, which was kind of like my 749S, but either way, I'm excited to go ride with him. We might meet up with one of his friends. Needless to say, it's going to be a good day because I'm wearing shorts. Short sleeves, I should say, not shorts, dumbass. But it'll be good. So let's see, supposed to meet him at 12:01. We'll be there. Ha! I guess I'm the early one here. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna hang out. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. What's up? Woo! Oh, that's a Street Fighter. Damn. Look at that thing. Damn. What's up, dude? Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Hey, just happy the weather's looking good.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm glad we got this weekend, man.
I know, we needed it. Seriously.
Sorry. I wasn't going to put it away this easily.
Oh, I couldn't do it either. No way.
Many hours later.
For the sync, yeah, because syncing audio sucks. Oh yeah, here we go. That's all I got. At least we're going to the gas station, it's close. Yeah, everybody says this thing's loud once you get behind it. I don't know, I'm never behind it. Woo! Yeah. Alright. You got Shell and BP to the left over there. Okay. Oh yeah, I can make it. I literally have 2 buttons and that's it. I don't want to screw anything up on this dash. Okay. Yeah, because I don't know where I'm going from here, so. Oh, that thing does sound good though. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the what are they called? I forgot. Yeah, the big long T word, the termeganese or something. I don't know. If I like. Yeah. No, this is St. Charles, so we're not to Elgin yet. So you got Viking Ski Shop, which used to be over like right here where that guy turned. And they do like patio furniture as well as like ski and snowboard stuff, like right down there. But they moved somewhere. Yeah, I think that's it. Like I've ridden this road before. Because you got this cool bridge up here and you got a whole bunch of other stuff and you got the river. Yeah, you know. Oh, we got a triker. We got a triker. Look at that thing. Whoa! I know, that thing was intense. Oh, now we at least got some corners, it seems like. As this van's just like, what are these guys doing? Like, whoa. Oh yeah, BP, thank God. Yep. am going around to the back. Oh, it's cool. Watch the manhole cover there. Yeah, that thing's just hanging out.
A few moments later.
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, like, you know, it's horrifying when you first do it. Oh. Ah. I totally missed my maps because it doesn't like speak to me. Oh, I get to do it again. Ah. Now we turn left here. Oh, easy there, honey. Oh, she's going. She's got it. Yeah, get on it. Go, go. Well, we got 8.7. Yeah. Yeah, we got like 8.7 miles till we get there. Up just straight. So I'm pretty sure we came through here. Well, after some time talking, we are heading to meet up with another guy. Go riding here. So far, this day has been awesome. It's so funny that I can hear my bike. Yeah! Whee! Oh, we need space. We need space. Oh, I was like, we need space to move, to roam, to do things. I know, it's green. I don't know what he's riding. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that Moto Guzzi. Maybe. Whee! Oh, the smell of fresh cut grass. So, no, we're going straight. Yeah, fresh cut grass. Fresh cut grass, so good. So good. Whee! Yeah. Skirt. Look at that thing, man. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah. What's up? My name's Kason.
Jason?
Kason.
Kason.
Yeah, it's like Jason with a C is the best way to put it.
Kason, cool. Brendan, man, nice to meet you.
Brendan, nice to meet you, man.
Eventually.
As a group, here we go. Oh, you guys are so much faster than me. Whoa. He's cooking. He's going. Oh, I feel, yeah. I can keep up with them. Oh shit, cop, 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 cop. Stop at the light. Stop at the light. Yep. Cop. Cop on the right hand side. Yeah, I'll pull over on the right, but cop at the right hand side. Where'd he go? Oh shit, good. Okay. Oh man. Oh dude. Alright, you guys are coming, right? Alright. Woo, that was like not good. That lady in the BMW. Oh. Yeah. Some of the hooligan came out of me. yeah, on your left here. You're good where you're at. Well, you got mirrors that work, damn it. Take this one? Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck I am. I'm terrible with directions, man. Was my license plate light on? Okay. Well, that was a you know, $2 Amazon purchase. It's literally like, and I can turn it off, maybe. I can't with gloves on. Well, damn it! Did that literally just go like? Oh! Oh, yeah, it's just like a little like quarter stick LED that I just stuck underneath the rear tail, and I was riding and like, cause like it won't come on with like the rest of the lights, so I'm like, oh shit, I need to turn my license plate light on, and then it's like, is it on? And then it's just boop, like gone. Woo! All right, that was one hell of a good day. Riding home, it's dark, can't see anything, but god damn it, that was fun. So I guess, until next time, remember, keep riding.